Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about these 1/2 cup or 4-ounce containers. These containers are so perfect for when you have that tiny little bit of something that you do not want to throw away, and it's perfect for storage. I've used it for tomato paste, whipped cream, all sorts of different things. And the extra thing I love about them is they are dishwasher and microwave safe. Also, they seal really well. As you can see, I have some liquid in here, and once I turn it upside down, it does not leak anywhere, which is fantastic. Perfect for salad dressings in your lunchbox or any other liquids. It can also be used for dry objects. Like you can see here, we have a bunch of pills in it that we needed to take for travel, and also perfect for picnics or just snacks that you need to take with you. I was going out and taking some jam and whipped cream, and these were the perfect size for me to portion them out and pack them to go. Amazing, useful, so very versatile. I love them. I'm sure you will too. And that's just my point of view.